Dear students, good morning. After some important formulas for trigonometry, we start new topic of physics, that is differentiation. New topic differentiation. What is the differentiation? Differentiation is very useful in physics. This is a branch of mathematics, but this branch of mathematics are used again and again in physics. Okay, then before reading some formula of differentiation, we take some definitions about differentiation. Then first is constant. First definition is constant. What is the constant? You know, constant are the quantities which does not change, like any number, pi, value of charge on electron, and any one which does not change, that is called constant. Okay, for example, if we take volume of a sphere, volume of a sphere is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. In this, if we change the radius of the sphere, then volume of the sphere is also changed. Okay, then volume of sphere is depends on the radius of the sphere, but this 4 by 3 pi is constant quantity. It does not change. ये फिक्स वैल्यू रहेगी. इसकी वैल्यू किसकी चेंज होगी? r की. when r change, then v change, then v change, then r is change. Okay, so this is variable. Number 2 to definition of variable का ये. What is the variable? Variable quantity. Variable quantity means the quantity which are changed. That is called variable quantity. ये variable quantity. Okay, in this V and R are variables and 4 by 3 are constant. Okay, dear students. Now we take a third point, that is function. What is the function? If one physical quantity or one quantity depends on another quantity, then we can say that one quantity is function of the second quantity. Here we see that volume of any sphere is depends on radius. So we can say that volume of any sphere is function of the radius of that sphere. What can we say? We say that volume of any sphere is the function of the radius of the sphere. कोई भी स्फीयर है, उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो उसके रेडियस का क्या होगा? फंक्शन होगा. वॉल्यूम ऑफ एनी स्फीयर इज फंक्शन ऑफ द रेडियस. लाइक दैट वी कैन राइट अनदर फंक्शन y इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 8. Now we see that this value of y is depends on x. Then we can write that y is the function of x. If we put different value of x in this formula, then we got different value of y. For example, if x equal to 1, if we put x equal to 1, then what is the value of y? Value of y becomes 1 plus 5 minus 8. Then what is the y? Sorry, 2. When we put here value of x is 1, then 2 plus 5 into 1 1 minus 8, then 2 plus 5 7 minus 1. If we put x equal to 2, then what is the value of y? X equal to 2. 2 square multiply with 2, then 4 into 2 8 plus 5 into 2 10 minus 8, it becomes 10. Like that. This is the function. Here y is y equal to, y is the function of x. Okay, so in any function, अब in this 2, 5 and 8 are constant quantities. These does not change. When we put different value of x, then we got different values of y. Okay, dear students, तो like that in normal we can also write that area of any sphere. Area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of sphere is function of the radius of the sphere, or volume and area. Area is also function of the radius of the sphere. Now what is the meaning of differentiation? What is differentiation? Differentiation क्या होता है ये देखेंगे हम. What is the differentiation? देखिए, by the differentiation we can find the rate of change of any quantity with respect to another quantity. If y is the function of y, we write a y is 2x square plus 5x minus 8. Okay, then if we do some change in y, that is denoted by delta y. What is delta y? Delta y meaning is change in y, and delta x is change in x. Then this delta y upon delta x becomes a new thing. In this delta y upon delta x means rate of change of y with respect to change in x. This delta y upon delta x is rate of change of y with respect to x. If this delta x is very small, if this delta x is very small, then we can write, इसको लिखा क्या जाता है, देखिए in mathematics we write it delta y upon delta x. If limit delta x tends to 0 means delta x की वैल्यू क्या है, very less, then we can write it dy upon dx, and it is called differentiation of y with respect to x. This dy upon dx is called differentiation of y with respect to x. So by the differentiation we can find rate of change of one quantity with respect to another quantity. For example, if any object cover delta s distance in delta t time, then what is the speed? Speed is delta s upon delta t. Total distance covered divided by total time. If here delta t tends to 0, delta t is very small, then we can write speed as v equal to ds upon dt. By this formula we got average speed, total distance divided by total time, and by this formula we can find instantaneous speed at a particular time. जैसे मान लीजिए a body start from t equal to 0 and do motion for 5 सेकेंड. एक बॉडी 0 से स्टार्ट होती है और वो 5 सेकेंड तक क्या करती है, मान लीजिए मूव करती है. देन एवरेज स्पीड इज टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर इन दिस टाइम पीरियड डिवाइड बाय टोटल टाइम 5. बट the distance speed at t equal to 2 seconds at speed at a particular time instant is called instantaneous speed of that body. So by the differentiation, if we differentiate s with respect to t, then we got instantaneous speed. Okay, if s is the function of s is 2t plus 5, this is s. Then if we differentiate this s with respect to t, ds upon dt, if we find ds upon dt, there are some formulas we write for finding ds upon dt. Okay, आज केवल हम ये समझ रहे हैं कि What is the differentiation? So by the differentiation of s with respect to t, we find the instantaneous speed. Like that, we know what is the acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So in physics, we can write application by the help of differentiation. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is dv upon dt, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So these are the formula comes from differentiation in physics. तो डिफरेंशिएशन मेन बात क्या होगी डिफरेंशिएशन में, आप ये बात ध्यान दीजिए, बाय द डिफरेंशिएशन वी कैन फाइंड रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी with respect to another physical quantity. Here acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Speed is rate speed vi, speed instantaneous speed is rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Okay, if we take v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, if we want to find the rate of change of volume of any sphere with respect to radius, then we find dv upon dr. This is the rate of change of volume of any sphere with respect to the radius of the sphere. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इतना ही लेते हैं, तो आप इसको एक बार ध्यान से सुनिए, समझिए और नोट कीजिए. नोट्स इसके कल हमने आपको भेज दिए. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.